It's Cooking Girl here, and today we'll be cooking Faster Clocks jelly. You'll need hot water, cold water, the jelly powder, and the bowl. First, you need to pour the hot water into the bowl. And add the jelly powder. And start mixing it. When you don't see the powder anymore, you can start adding the cold water. And start mixing again. And when you think it's ready, you can put it in the fridge for 24 hours, and then the next day it will be ready. It's the next day, the jelly is found. Like and subscribe.